So Robertson Homes have asked me to make a video about their luxury new properties up in Inverness. And one of the things they mentioned in the brief was, could I mention the Great Glen Way, which runs from Fort William all the way up to Inverness, which is a beautiful cycling route. And I thought, well, maybe I could ride the cycling route and film the show home. The only problem is I've got a day to do it, and so I'm going to see if I can make that happen. So it's off to a fairly bad start, as I've started quite late, which isn't ideal, which doesn't bode well. And hopefully get there in time to see the show home, because that's what you're all here for. I'm not going to lie, it's further than I thought. Nearly there! Nearly there! It's raining! Oh. Oh, hiya, you're not going to Fort William, are you?